What's happening, traders? I am wearing my lucky shirt today. Jerome Powell was talking and we needed to make some money. And today we had a pretty nice trade of the day into a squeeze. So let's talk about how we found out where we were going to get involved. Looking here on an hourly chart, we talked about this previously. We were interested in this hourly supply zone, okay, and I was really interested in the top side of the supply, the very top side, right up here. Why was I interested in this? Well, we made this supply zone and we rejected numerous times the supply zone above. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, but we hadn't actually checked this top side of supply since we made the move down. So it made perfect sense to me from a rational point of view that we might be able to drive up into this supply point. And where was I looking to get involved from? Well, we can go to a daily chart. Okay, so we can go to this daily chart here and think about where we were expecting price to hold. And we talked about it in yesterday's video. Okay, we talked about this potential demand zone down here holding up. Okay, because if we think about structure, we were moving down, a leg up, move down, leg up, move down. Then we broke out of that and we were expecting a retest of this. And then at this point is the decision point. We either move higher or we come back and retest the lows. Okay, and that's where we were at yesterday. So we knew we were likely to retest this level, and we could have refined this in a 4-hour chart and a 1-hour chart to have a look where it can come down to. So I really liked this gap and 4-hour point right here. Okay, and you can see on the Newswick, make sure we've got that. On the Newswick, we came straight down into that and held it. So looking on a 1 hour, once we held this level, okay, I was expecting us to rotate back into this supply zone, which is exactly what we did. So when the news started coming out, okay, we'd built this area of consolidation. Okay, above this demand zone, we grinded up. We had this news candle in, which held the consolidation breakout point. We rose up, came back, and I was interested in joining the trend. Okay, we had a clear trend to the upside and we had a flag being built with a very nice curl here, and we were holding the previous breakout point. Okay, so lots of reasons to get involved here. We also had the flow zones holding us up for EMA, and we were expecting price to come up here. Now, I didn't know if price was going to go further, but what I did know is Jerome Powell was talking. So the chance of me wanting to hold to move it up further were very slim, which is why you will see I sold on the extension. So let's get straight into it. This is today's trade of the day. If you like what you see or you're learning from my videos, it would mean a lot to me if you could like, share the video, tag a trader underneath who you think it might help. I'll be back tomorrow.